Hey folks, just a super quick video to make sure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to using the Enigma leg leash buckle. A lot of folks claim that it becomes unclipped too easily, but I want to make sure that we are doing it all the same way. So I've got the male end of the buckle with the little bump on it, and the female end that has all of the different holes in it for routing the leg leash through. So when you insert the male end into the female end, it might feel like, oh, well, this is it. But what you need to do is press on the back side of it, and you hear that snap. That snap means the buckle is actually all the way in and attached, and it can't just be pulled out. In fact, in order to unclip the buckle, what you'll need to do is press on the button end and then move it like this, and that's how it is attached. So if your leg leash buckle isn't doing that, you either need to make sure that you're getting that snap, or you will need to warranty your leg leash and get a new one with a buckle that functions properly.